Hi friends! Today I will show you how to make a super easy, all-natural, organic moisturizer for your face and body. Aloe vera has been used for centuries to heal wounds, to heal sunburn, and also to moisturize deep levels of skin. So here I have it, guys, all natural moisturizer. I will keep it in the fridge for approximately a week. Vitamin E helps to protect its freshness. It's a natural preservative and I will use it all over my body and on my face after I take a shower. It absorbs really quickly and a little bit of oil gives it a nice glow. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and if you find my video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I can post more valuable content in the future. Bye bye!